Okay. Please come in and take a seat. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Bern. My name is Rolf Dach. I'm currently the chair of the IGS governing board, but in this context it is more important that we host the Code Analysis Center here in Bern, and we decided to host the workshop. We have achieved 3 decades of service in the IGS, and you can see on the logo we have climbed up 3 mountains. If we go to the history, it started in the 90s with the first workshop of the IGS, hosted by the University of Bern. This is another reason to come back. And you can see in the 90s it was really a very high sequence of workshops, and I have only put approximately half of them on it because we had separate analysis center and network workshops in that time. Can somebody remember this time? Well, at least a few. Then later we had workshops approximately every 2 years. And this practice was then destroyed by Sydney, which insisted to invite us for summer in Sydney, meaning in February, and that we don't have too much delay between one workshop and the next. We had then in the week after in Paris, and then Wuhan, November 2018. And then the next workshop was scheduled for Boulder in June 2020. I think you all remember that there was an event that this was not possible to meet in June 2020 in Boulder. And at the end we had to go 2 years later for an online version. Meaning at the end, the last real in-person workshop is now 6 years ago. A really long, very long time. It feels already like history. Now, from this point, we are happy that we can have the first workshop after this long break. And when we had such a long break, then it's of course a chance to come back to business as usual, but to revise the program, and this is the result which Arturo Feliga and the colleagues from the Scientific Organizing Committee have set up. We have all the oral presentations in one block until Thursday noon. We have extensive poster sessions, and then the splinter meetings that we had in the old days in between, we have all placed towards the end, that we have then here all the presentations, and then we have enough material to speak about, and also to give people that are not that deeply involved in the IGS business have the chance to leave before we start this boring technical discussions. Okay, let's come to the program of this opening session. We have first some welcome words by people from the university. I'm happy to welcome Hugues Gabriel, Vice Director for Research Innovation. Welcome you first.